what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to step through and find the documentation to set up a new customer in our LIMS system, which would be our laboratory information system for setting up new samples to be tested in our laboratory. It is the same way for water-based as it is for oil-based, and we're going to walk through the steps on my computer to show you how to do it. So we're going to go into the files, into Dropbox, which everybody will have access to. There's a folder called LIMS documentation, and inside there's a LIMS customer submission form. We're going to go into here. It's a PDF file, but we can edit it and add stuff. We're going to go through and enter in our contact name, which is, we're going to use Hank Smith today. Company name is Rexcom. Rexcom.net. And right now I don't have a LIMS customer number because this is a new setup. If by chance you were entering in assets that you have a company already set up in, you would put in the LIMS customer number, which is the lab can help provide. So we're going to go into, we've now put in the company and the contact information. We're going to go into the new asset submission. This is where we would actually add pieces of equipment that we want to add to their laboratory sampling. So the Benz product for this first one is going to be Benz Cool 1300, which is our water-based semi-synthetic. LIMS customer number, again, that isn't produced yet because of the fact that this is a new customer in our system. Asset description, this machine was a Mazak QT 300. They also had a machine number that they wanted to add to it, which was 4265. For the asset ID, the lab will assign this value. Usually it starts with 1001 range. If by chance you want to customize it, say to the 4265 or something like that, you need to contact the lab, but they will assign the asset ID number then. The hours on the asset and the date sampled. If you have the sample ready to go, let's say the machine's got 2,500 hours on it, you can just put that in. Also the date was 8/7 of 2019 is when it was actually sampled. We're also going to add, we had two machines here, we're going to add another one. This Benz product is Benz Grind HP 15. Again, the customer ID number or LIMS number will stay blank. The description for this one is it's a Hoffler machine, Helix. Want to make sure we get a great description for the customer so that they know exactly where the sample came from. So when you're done with filling everything out correctly, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to save. I would save to my computer, right to my desktop, so I have a copy of it. And submission form, I'm going to put in the company name just so we know where it's from. From that step, I can minimize all this stuff. I'm going to go into my email, and I'm going to set up an email to LIMS support. It's going to be the support@benz.com, and I'm going to just put a note in there. It's Rexcom, new customer, add to LIMS, so they kind of know what's going on. And I'm going to attach that file, which is my LIMS customer submission form, Rexcom, and I'm going to send it. It's as simple as that, to add a new customer with some assets, and the lab will be getting that email, and then they will start the processing from there.